This is a full review of the all-new 2021 Porsche Panamera GTS Sport Turismo facelift. Following a teaser campaign that involved setting a new Nürburgring lap record for executive cars, the 2021 Porsche Panamera is finally here. The most important change is the launch of a Turbo S model serving as a replacement for the regular Turbo while adding some serious power in the process. The twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 has been massaged to deliver 620 horsepower and 604 pound-feet, 820 newton-meters, of torque or 70 HP and 37 lb-ft, 50 Nm, more than before. The newly added muscle enables a 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 96 kilometers per hour, sprint in only 2.9 seconds or half a second quicker than the old Panamera Turbo. The slightly heavier executive version with the extended wheelbase is a tad slower, requiring 3 seconds to complete the task. Whether it's the regular liftback, the more practical Sport Turismo wagon, or the LWB version, all Turbo S models top out at 196 miles per hour, 315 kilometers per hour. The Turbo S is not the only change made to the lineup for 2021, as Porsche is also introducing a Panamera 4Z hybrid. The plug-in hybrid model combines a twin-turbo 2.9-liter V6 with an electric motor for a grand total of 552 HP and 553 lb-ft, 750 Nm. Turn on launch control and the 0 to 60 miles per hour run will take 3.5 seconds en route to a top speed of 185 miles per hour, 298 kilometers per hour, which makes it just about as quick as the now-defunct Panamera Turbo. The 2021MY switchover brings a larger capacity battery, from 14.1 kWh to 17.9 kWh, for the plug-in hybrid.